Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, at the Gilbert compound. And if I told you that I hit the pepper lottery, you wouldn't believe me. So, I guess I gotta show you. I have a brother in the Sons of Fire, and his name is Daniel Butler. And Daniel Butler has grown an amazing garden this year, apparently. And Daniel Butler has been very kind to all of his brothers and sisters. And today, he came to my house and I was helping my mother. And I was out of town, but he already had my address. And he texted me and he says, "Bob, I got you some peppers on the porch. And I need you to, when you gonna be home?" Nobody answered the door and, all that good stuff. I said, "I'm out of town. I'll be there as soon as I can." And he says, I hope I didn't overdo it, but I hope you like it. I was like, anything is great, and I appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much, brother. You're a great guy. Thank you so much. And I told him I'd do him a little video. And I got home and I was scared somebody would have already took my peppers off the porch. But no. He said I won the pepper lottery. I didn't know what that meant till just now. Let me show you. You ain't gonna believe this. It's impossible. You will not believe this. Are you kidding me? Look how thick this box is. That's $1 million. That's $1 million win right there. That is out of this world. This is the greatest gift any man could ever receive from anyone, pepper-wise. Look at this. We've got ghost peppers. We've got, I think these are Starburst, I think. Kenstar Starburst. Check that out. These are beautiful peppers. Look at this. So gorgeous. I'm not even getting in the middle here. Look at this. And by the way, I don't even have one of these. So now I have several. These are gorgeous peppers. They really are beautiful. And it just goes down for days. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that pepper. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look at the tail on that man. I guarantee you this pepper is going in a special place, because I think that's a reaper, and that is a special tail. That's gorgeous. Look at these. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. The hooks on those mows are just, look at, oh my god, those are pretty. And just this would have been astronomical, and the world would have been a great place, and that would have been $1 million win, right? But wait, there's more. I haven't even opened this. The only reason I saw that box because they all fell out, and I had to pick them all up. How about you, Yaya? What do you think?
I think they're beautiful.
All right, so I hadn't even opened this bag yet, Yaya.
Well, let's see. I just got here. Got everything in there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at this box. Look at this. Look at this.
I don't know if they can see it.
Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm going to have to sterilize my hands, but look at this. These peppers are insane. Look at this. These are so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at this. I love this pepper. I'm going to make something super special with these. I am. Super special. I surely am. All right. And that alone, this bag alone would have been a lottery win, right? I mean, you can't get much better than that. I got this bag, I got this shoebox, You know, that's just amazing, right?
Got it?
Yeah. So that alone, I gotta find a place for this. I'm gonna put this down here. Sorry, I'm out of the. That alone would have been astronomical. But then, he also left me a fertilizer box. I'm pretty sure that this pump sprayer is not in here. Although if it is, I'd be thoughtful. Oh my God. The pepper lottery. This is $150 million win right here. I just won the jackpot. From top to bottom. That is crazy. I will try as hard as I can to figure out a way to get a picture of all of these. Impossible. But I will definitely try. But Daniel, you have seriously outdone yourself. And you need to teach me how you do this, because I can't get anything to grow. And you, sir, are amazing. You need to teach people how to grow. This is unbelievable. I have never seen this before. I mean, I'm at a loss for words with the beauty of all these peppers, buddy. I don't even see one Kinstar. This is the only Kinstar, but I got these here too. I got these from another brother. You see, here's the difference. This is a star kissed, and this is a star burst. The Kinstars. And they're beautiful peppers. Absolutely beautiful. But look at the difference. That is insane. Wow. Brother, although I can't repay you, I will find a way to make this amazing somehow. And I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. I don't have to buy any more peppers. And as some of you know, I lost my job. So that was a big burden for me. I wasn't able to buy any more peppers. And Daniel came through for me. Thank you, Daniel. I love you, brother. I hope to meet up with you soon. We can do that one chip challenge. I got you. I got 7 of these. So we're going to have some fun. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have me some fun with some peppers, y'all. Hey, don't be salty. That's my job. All right. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you. Y'all have a nice and glorious day. God bless America and God bless you. See y'all next time.